In this first video, we're going to show and demonstrate the basic principle of standard electric vehicle without active recharging system. That's the new system that we're going to add to the electric vehicle. So in this case, in this purpose, in this test, we're going to use a AC motor, 750 watts, as a power drain. So, and for that purpose, this is the basically the generator that simulates the road resistance electric vehicle in the principle, in the simple principle electric vehicle that represents the road conditions, resistance, air resistance, so on and so on. So this is the electric vehicle itself. Let's say this is the simulator of electric vehicle. In that purpose, we're going to see over here how much the energy is consumed by the system itself without active recharging system that we're going to add later. This is the heat resistance that simulates the road conditions in the electric vehicle. And over here, after that, we're going to attach the new active recharging system for the electric vehicle. This is over here the new generator that's going to produce the electric energy, and that we're going to recharge the battery systems with this charger. This is the AC charger that converts AC to, let's say, to the DC, and this is the batteries that standard vehicle. This is the lead acid battery that we're going to use for this test. And this generator is three-phased, and we're going to convert three-phased without rectifier to the single phase, let's say to the DC. So we're going to convert three-phase to the DC. So we can able to charge and see how much the system and energy is consumed, and basically how much the energy we can restore back to the system, and we can expand the range of electric vehicle itself. So let's start with first test to see how much the standard electric vehicle is consumed the energy during the driving conditions on the typical road. So this is without electric car system, without the spin tire. This is the electric vehicle itself. This is how much energy is consumed right now. So this is the standard electric vehicle. Driving mode, that's it. So we see how much the energy is consumed in the standard electric vehicle. So we're going to add the active recharging system for the electric vehicle, so we can see how much the energy we can produce and store to the battery itself. So basically, when you're driving your car, electric vehicle, you're also driving, consuming, and recharging the batteries at the same time. So that's the key, and that's the point. When you're driving your electric vehicle, you're also recharging the batteries. That's the new concept of the new system itself. That's the new technology that we're going to present. It's not breaking the first laws of thermodynamics and so on and so on. You're using the same generator. The generators are the same, but this is much more efficient with the new technology, the new system of active recharging control. So we can see how much the energy will consume and how much energy it will produce for the same purpose. So we are adding the new system of recharging, active recharging mode. Just a second. It's now assembled. So we'll add the new generator system itself to the existing system of electric vehicle. So electric vehicle remains the same. The gears, the sprockets, so on and so on and so on and so on. So basically now we add the system of recharging mode. So basically this generator is going to produce the energy, and that energy we're going to convert to the charger, and that charger is going to charge the batteries, and we're going to see in this system how much the charging energy will consume the energy from the system itself, and how much will we bring back the system energy itself.
Proprio na prazno koliko, ne?
So the generator is working.
We're not fully now.
It's not charging right now.
Just let's see how much the system now consumes.
Basically the same.
Basically the same. And now
We're going to add the charging port. Okay. So the system starts to recharge the batteries. The charging mode is activated. When we see how much the energy is consumed. This is the amps. This is the volts. 1.8 amps and 74.4 volts.
consume batteries.
Batteries is recharging right now.
And consume
3.71 amps. 3.7 amps. That's the difference between 3.4 and 3.7.
samo da vidi se, da se puni. Ne.
Are we going to disconnect the charge? Now system is recharging. When you're driving your vehicle, the system is recharging yourself.